Hi, this is Tor Lacey with a tutorial for exercise 10.13. Assuming that you have carefully read the instructions, I'll start with A, letter I. Blank age strata are overlain at an unconformity by blank age strata. Here's map A, and we have the strata represented by different colors, each color representing a different stratigraphic unit. We have a contact between this brownish red unit and these different colored units here, represented with this wavy line, which is where our attention might be drawn looking for an unconformity. But let's consider that this is in map view, not cross-sectional view, which up to this point is what we have been looking at when we've been looking for unconformities. So this wavy line here could be the unconformity, but let's also consider the age of the stratigraphic units: Jurassic, Triassic, Devonian, 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 and Silurian. If we consider the geologic time scale, Jurassic, Triassic, Permian, Pennsylvanian, Mississippian, then Devonian, and Silurian, we are missing Permian, Pennsylvanian, and Mississippian. They are not listed here. They are not listed there because those age units don't exist, meaning there's an unconformity between Triassic and Devonian. That's what an unconformity is: missing geologic time. So our answer there would be Devonian age strata are overlain at an unconformity by Triassic age strata. What type of unconformity is it? Well, considering the dips of the stratigraphic units below and above the unconformity, we see that they are tilted at different angles. Specifically, below the unconformity, they're at 43 and 56, tilted to the west. Above the unconformity, 6 degrees to the north. Because they are at different angles, this must be an angular unconformity. So part 2, the Triassic and Jurassic strata dip in a westerly direction at an angle of 43 and 56 degrees. The Silurian and Devonian strata, well, those two don't have strike and dip symbols. So we will assume that they have the same strike. We can see that by the fact that the lines are parallel, the contact lines are parallel, and that the dip is the same as the unit that they are in contact with. To make this assumption, you could think of the Silurian and these two Devonian units as stacks of strata. Think of 3 textbooks stacked one atop another. If you took those 3 stacked textbooks and you tilted them at the same time, they would all tilt together and therefore have the same dip. So using this logic and procedure, I hope that you'll be able to work your way through the other parts of exercise 10.13. Don't forget to email with questions. Thank you for listening.